In today's world, having a reliable dashcam is more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. Whether you're looking for protection against fraudulent claims, capturing unexpected road incidents, or simply documenting your journey, the right dashcam can make all the difference. With so many options on the market, choosing the best one can be overwhelming. To make your decision easier, we've rounded up the top 7 dashcams that offer the best in video quality, features, and reliability. Blackview DR970X-2CH LTE. The Blackview DR970X-2CH LTE is one of the most advanced dashcams on the market, offering a seamless combination of high-quality video recording and always-on LTE connectivity. This dashcam is perfect for those who require a reliable, high-definition recording system with cloud access. The front camera records in stunning 4K Ultra HD, ensuring every detail on the road is captured clearly, while the rear camera records in full HD, providing a comprehensive view of the surroundings. One of the standout features of the DR970X-2CH LTE is its built-in LTE module, which allows users to connect to the Blackview cloud for remote access, live monitoring, and real-time alerts. Additionally, the dashcam includes advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, and parking mode with impact and motion detection. The Sony STARVAS sensor ensures clear night vision, making it an excellent choice for drivers who require high-quality footage in various lighting conditions. The inclusion of GPS tracking, event-based recording, and loop recording makes it a top-tier option for both personal and professional use. S7N Dashcam. The S7N Dashcam is a budget-friendly yet reliable option for those seeking a dependable recording device for their vehicle. This dashcam features a full HD front and rear camera setup, ensuring clear video capture even in challenging lighting conditions. The front camera records at 1080p, while the rear camera also provides a solid full HD recording capability. Equipped with a G sensor, the S7N Dashcam automatically detects and locks important footage in case of an accident, preventing it from being overwritten. Its loop recording feature ensures continuous recording without manual intervention. Additionally, the device supports parking mode, allowing for surveillance even when the vehicle is turned off. With a simple and easy installation process, the S7N is an excellent choice for those looking for an affordable yet efficient dashcam. A 800 Dual Vision Dashcam. The 800 Dual Vision Dashcam is a high-resolution dashcam that offers a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera for comprehensive coverage of the vehicle's surroundings. Its superior video quality ensures that license plates, road signs, and other crucial details are captured with great clarity. The 800 features an advanced night vision system with a Sony IMX415 sensor, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. GPS tracking is built in, allowing users to track speed and location. Additionally, the dashcam comes with ADAS, offering lane departure and forward collision warnings to enhance driver safety. Parking mode, G-sensor functionality, and loop recording make it an excellent choice for those who need a feature-packed dashcam with high video quality and intelligent driver assistance. Wolfbox I07 Dashcam. The Wolfbox I07 Dashcam is a compact yet powerful device that provides excellent video recording capabilities. This model features a dual-channel setup with a 2.5K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring detailed footage of the road ahead and behind. One of the key highlights of the Wolfbox I07 is its ultra-wide-angle lens, which covers a significant portion of the road without creating a fisheye distortion. It also boasts enhanced night vision powered by a Sony STARVAS sensor, ensuring that nighttime recordings are clear and detailed. The dashcam supports loop recording, emergency locking via the G sensor, and parking monitoring. With an easy-to-install design and user-friendly interface, the Wolfbox I07 is an ideal choice for those who need a reliable and compact dashcam with superior image quality. Kingom D2 2.5K Dual Dashcam. The Kingom D2 2.5K Dual Dashcam is an excellent mid-range option that offers both front and rear recording capabilities. The front camera records in 2.5K resolution, providing sharp and detailed footage, while the rear camera records in 1080p, capturing important details behind the vehicle. This dashcam is equipped with a super night vision feature, allowing for clear recordings in low-light conditions. The wide dynamic range, WDR, technology helps balance exposure, ensuring that bright and dark areas are well-defined. The Kingom D2 also includes GPS tracking for speed and location data, a G sensor for detecting collisions, and loop recording for uninterrupted video capture. With an intuitive interface and simple setup, this dashcam is a great choice for drivers who want a balance between performance and affordability. M300's 4K Dashcam V1. The M300's 4K Dashcam V1 is a premium dashcam that delivers ultra-high-definition video recording with its 4K front camera. This model is designed for users who demand superior video clarity and a comprehensive set of features. One of the most impressive aspects of the M300's is its advanced image processing, which ensures that every frame is clear and detailed, even in challenging lighting conditions. The dashcam also includes built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to connect to a mobile app for easy video playback and downloads. GPS functionality is integrated for tracking speed and location, while the G sensor ensures that important footage is automatically locked in the event of an accident. With parking mode, motion detection, and seamless loop recording, the M300's 4K Dashcam V1 is a high-performance option for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich dashcam. Viofo A329 4K 60 fps dashcam front and rear. The Viofo A329 4K 60 fps dashcam is a high-end model that offers stunning 4K video recording at 60 frames per second for the front camera, ensuring that all details are captured with exceptional clarity. The rear camera records in 1080p, providing a clear view of the back of the vehicle. Equipped with Sony STAR-VIS sensors for both front and rear cameras, the A329 excels in night vision, delivering bright and sharp images in low-light conditions. The dashcam features a built-in GPS module for tracking location and speed, and its Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy access to footage via a mobile app. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, including lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts, help enhance road safety. Additionally, parking mode, loop recording, and a G sensor provide robust security and continuous monitoring. The Viofo A329 is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-quality dashcam with superior video performance and intelligent safety features. Each of these dashcams offers unique features catering to different needs, from budget-friendly options to high-end models with cutting-edge technology. Whether you need cloud connectivity, ultra-high-definition recording, or advanced safety features, there is a dashcam on this list that suits your requirements. Investing in a reliable dashcam can provide peace of mind, ensuring that every crucial moment on the road is recorded and available for future reference.